I've seen some pretty shitty situations in my life, but nothing has ever sucked more ass than this.
Just playing.
You know, this should make the popcorn channel.
How would you eat the porn if it's on TV?
It's the hounds.
What the?
Idly ho, neighbor. Oakley dokley.
Working!
Y'all catch 'em!
The G.I. Joe Falcon Glider flying high.
Just playing.
This is so not good. Just tell your story before your head explodes. Tell you. Win him.
Always twirling for freedom.
Then all of a sudden a monster appeared.
Rosie is a loser, so probably I'll sue her.
From under the hill he came.
You're fired. You're fired. You're fired.
So Jack took a tree from out of the ground.
I love the Mexican people. Many Mexicans, they purchase things for me like apartments, etc., etc. I have great relationships with Mexico and with the Mexican people. I love the Mexican people.
Twirling for freedom.